As of January 2026, the Tesla Model 3 doesn't come with a factory-installed tow hitch. However, certified aftermarket hitches are available. Tesla even partners with select manufacturers for Tesla-approved tow packages. These hitches allow Model 3s, excluding performance models, to tow up to 2,000 pounds. Performance models can tow up to 3,000 pounds. Remember, professional installation is crucial to avoid voiding your warranty or compromising safety, especially due to the Model 3's aluminum frame and integrated battery. Modern tow hitch kits for the Model 3 use a non-invasive, bolt-on installation. This means you avoid drilling or welding, preserving the vehicle's structural integrity. The hitch mounts to the rear subframe using existing chassis holes. This non-invasive approach maintains the aluminum unibody's strength. The receiver plate is then secured with grade 8 bolts to the frame rails, providing a stable mounting point for towing. Always ensure the hitch is compatible with the Model 3's gross vehicle weight rating of 4,094 pounds to prevent battery damage or instability. Tesla's high-voltage system requires a low-voltage approach for trailer connections. Standard 4-pin connectors handle basic lights, while 7-pin connectors add brakes and reverse lights. Kits include a module that taps into the Model 3's taillight circuits without affecting the high-voltage battery. Wiring harnesses plug into the rear light cluster via an adapter for turn signals, brakes, and running lights. Advanced modules can even connect to Tesla's CAN bus for real-time diagnostics through the touchscreen. Precise torquing is vital to prevent frame stress or bolt failure when installing a tow hitch on your Tesla Model 3. Always use a calibrated torque wrench designed for metric units to ensure accuracy. For hitch bolts, specifically M10 size, torque them to 50 to 60 foot-pounds, which is 68 to 81 newton-meters. Frame mount bolts require a higher torque of 70 to 80 foot-pounds, or 95 to 108 newton-meters. Over-torquing can warp the aluminum frame of the Model 3, leading to serious structural issues. Here's a visual comparison showing the damage from over-tightening versus proper torque. Always apply Tesla-recommended lubricants, such as their Denobola or Polaris products, to prevent corrosion and ensure smooth installation. Finally, always follow the manufacturer's specific torque specs for your particular kit. For example, Draw-Tite may specify 55 foot-pounds for crossbars. Tesla's software integration ensures towing compatibility through over-the-air updates. Starting with version 12.5 and later, Tesla releases over-the-air software updates that detect the presence of a tow hitch. These updates modify the vehicle's torque vectoring algorithms to provide safer and more stable towing performance. Looking ahead to version 13.0 in 2027, Tesla plans smart towing features. The vehicle will automatically adjust its power delivery based on the trailer's weight, helping to minimize range loss during towing operations. Additionally, Tesla provides a towing guide app that offers vehicle-specific torque specifications and wiring diagrams. This ensures proper installation and safe towing setup for Model 3 owners. Towing with electric vehicles is on the rise as more drivers discover the benefits of EV versatility. Innovations like dual-motor towing modes in Model 3 long-range variants from the 2026 refresh allow up to 4,000 pounds towing with minimal range impact, using predictive algorithms. Eco-friendly hitches using recycled aluminum are also emerging, aligning with sustainable practices. Wireless towing technology using inductive power transfer could even eliminate wiring needs in the future. Let's examine real-world case studies from leading manufacturers. Draw-Tite developed a Tesla-specific tow hitch kit that achieved over 50,000 installations by 2025. This bolt-on kit is rated for 2,000 pounds and provides reliable towing for Model 3 owners. Kurt manufactures custom wiring modules that seamlessly integrate with the Model 3's infotainment system. These modules enable trailer camera feeds and other advanced features, ensuring safe and connected towing experiences. U-Haul conducted extensive testing with Model 3 vehicles equipped with tow hitches for urban delivery operations. Their tests demonstrated that these vehicles could achieve 300-mile ranges while towing 1,000-pound payloads. These case studies from Draw-Tite, Kurt, and U-Haul demonstrate the growing capabilities of Tesla Model 3 towing solutions. Most importantly, they underscore the critical need for professional, certified installations to ensure safety and warranty compliance. Experts emphasize professional installation to ensure vehicle safety systems are not compromised. Mechanics recommend sticking to torque specs to prevent vibration or frame cracks. Electrical engineers advise using shielded wiring to avoid EMI interference with Tesla's sensors. J.D. Power surveys show 12% of Model 3 owners installed hitches, with 85% reporting satisfaction, but 20% highlighting wiring complexities. Tesla data shows zero fatalities from EV towing incidents in 2024 to 2025, but 150 reports of hitch-related issues, mostly wiring. Tesla's 2025 warranty claims for towing mods totaled 2,000 cases, down 30% from 2024 due to improved kits. Always consult Tesla's latest guidelines and professional installers for hands-on applications.